All right, so we're in Sedalia, Missouri, right? So if you can see around us, it's pretty cool. You got all these nice houses. We're on the main thoroughfare. We're on Grand Avenue, and I don't know what the other street is. And then I'm on Broadway. So we're on Grand and Broadway, and this is a pretty populated town. We drove through like a Walmart and everything like that. So $1,000 house in a city with, I don't know what the freaking population is here. Probably under 100,000. It looks like a decent sized town. Got a Sonic, Central Bank right there. Yeah, CVS right up the road there. Walgreens. It's a major city. Sedalia's historic district, so it's been around for a while. It's a good sized town. You got apartment buildings over there. So that's the downtown. This place looks like it's a thriving donut shop. If you need my deal machine link, comment below and we'll give you I also wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about like affiliate marketing and stuff as I'm kind of going on a little ramble. I spend a ton of money on my credit cards. When I spend my money on my credit cards, I look for the credit card that's gonna give me the most bang for my buck. And what does that mean? Well, I fly a lot. So I have the Southwest Airline Chase card as my go-to card. And I haven't paid for a flight since I've had the card. Like literally every dollar that I spend, they give me 1 point, sometimes 2 points. And what that means is I don't have to pay for flights. And so I spend a certain amount of money and my wife is free. So everywhere I fly, she gets to fly for free. If you want something like that, I'm gonna put my affiliate link, which basically gives you 50,000 free miles and gives me 50,000 free miles. And we're gonna put that link up for you. But the reason I talked to you about that, there's a bunch of other credit cards that I have, but one of the really cool things about investing in real estate is all of the perks that you get. Like I have, I don't know, a couple 100,000 points at Floor & Decor. We're rolling, we're only 0.4 miles away. So we're gonna see what our $1,000 house looks like. So this is a cute little neighborhood. Let's just see real quick. Let's just look at realtor.com real quick. It's always kind of my go-to. I'll just put in here and I'll put use current location, what's for sale? 86,000, 160,000, 150,000, that's 89,000. So what did we buy for $1,000? That's the question. Look at this. This is called unobstructed views of the train tracks. This is like freaking gold. Dude, I'm so happy with this purchase right now. I'm super excited. So we own this lot right here and this house, $1,000. I think we freaking scored.
Hey, Tyler?
We're here.
Oh, you're here? Okay.
Yeah. How we doing? You the locksmith?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Troy.
I just saying open here, man. By the time you got here.
You had it already open?
Yeah. I just turned a knob and opened the door up.
Well, that's a hell of a deal. Can you put a lock on there?
Yeah, that's what I was kind of looking at.
Yeah, could you? How much you charge for that?
As much as I can get.
Sounds good to me. I got like $5.
Boy, you haven't got much.
Do you guys want some help with this?
Well, his brother has to come. We don't have a way to take it.
I got a truck.
Do you?
No.
Oh, okay.
You want to put it in my truck and I'll take it back to your guys' house?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Is there anything else you guys want us to take for you?
What we just got here.
They took the brand new space heaters and my TV.
All right, can you guys walk us around the house and show us what we got
You
here?
can. I don't know anything about this house.
Okay. Is it?
That's the front bedroom.
I'm Troy. Thank you for your service.
I'm Dennis. You're welcome.
All right, so this,
So 2 front bedrooms. I use that for an office years ago when I was here.
we got a little slope in here.
They smoked a lot in here.
Oh no, the slope. I can't even smell the smoke. My smell went with COVID like a couple months ago, or 6 months ago when I had it. It hasn't come back yet. Who's that, you?
Dennis, yeah. He's in the Navy.
Look at this handsome fella.
Well, I joined the Navy, so I wouldn't have to go to Vietnam. This is in 1965. I was 6 foot, weighed 119. And they put me through, you gotta be at least 140 my weight. They needed people so bad. I went to San Diego Naval Air Station where the SEALs trained, my first duty station. I was there 30 days and got orders to MCB-9. Trained with the Marines for 2 weeks on an M14. You're going to Vietnam to give you an M16. So I made 4 tours as a CB. Finally got an aircraft carrier. 1968, just before I got out in 69.
That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, that reminds me of my dad's picture. So we got our bathroom here. Come take a look at this. You grew up here?
I grew up in Sedalia, but not here.
What's the population out here?
21,837.
You got like a Jeopardy. That's like a Jeopardy answer.
Well,
Thank you for taking this off his hands. I mean, it wasn't livable and he was still paying taxes on it, you know.
It's a burden sometimes. We could turn them around. That's what we do. I'm gonna load this stuff up for him. If you guys wanna write down the address, I'll be happy to load whatever I can in my truck. Me and Tyler will roll it out there for you guys.
Hi, Mark.
How are you?
All right, sir.
How do you guys know each other?
We live in the same town, man.
21,837 people?
Everybody knows everybody, yeah.
So you guys know I'm not from here then?
Yeah, we can tell.
Let's look at the exterior of the house. We're gonna help them out with that. Like I said, sometimes people don't care about the money. They don't care. Got a bunch of problems on this property.
Here's the woman that lives next door. that he took care of.
That's the woman who lives next door?
Yeah, that lived here in this house.
Uh-huh.
She's lazy, first of all. I said, a woman can't take care of home. You're gonna lose it. Take care of your man in your home, you'll be all right.
What you want me to load in my truck for you? So that desk and this bookcase, right?
Yeah.
Can you write down your address or where we're taking it? Looks like it's about 4-minute drive. Let's move this.
Probably gonna have to go over.
Shoot, man, this guy's tough. He's just got short sleeves on.
I know. See?
Yeah, he's tough.
I don't know about tough. My wife's like, do you want me to bring you a jacket? All right, Tyler, let's get this. Oh, we're gonna grab this real quick.
Oh man, you grabbed my workbench.
I'm sorry, man. God, that ceiling fan's old. You want me to put that in my truck, in our truck?
Would you please?
Or you want it in yours?
No, I don't need them.
Okay. Now, my big question to you is, how much is the house gonna sell for? Right? What? 20?
I'll show you where the house is. We can unlock it and put stuff in there.
What? Yeah. You want to come with us?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna roll with her. Mark, I need to pay you. You take cash? How do we get it? We'll come back. We're gonna drop her off. We'll come back. Did you ever live in this house?
No, I didn't come down here till July, and I had to move out a year ago, October.
Oh, why'd you have to move out?
Because he's been living in that house, no heat.
In the
They
winter
had
time?
None.
So what was he just didn't care?
They just didn't want, older people, they just don't want change. They don't like change. And so I told them, I said, I'm gonna come down there. We're gonna get a house. And it took us 5 months because there were 7 houses that they got beat out of. And I said, okay, whatever the highest bid is for this house here, I want $1,000 more. I'll bid $1,000 more. And so we got this house. That's the only way we got this.
Your house is right up there on the right.
We got this house $69,000.
That's a great deal.
When they did the inspection, they forgot to tell us that the foundation needed to be repaired.
Yeah, small, minor details, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's only $20,000.
Yeah. You want to open it up? We'll bring everything else inside.
Okay, we can just sit on the living room floor.
Okay, sounds good. So the bottom line is, we just moved all her bookcases and a couple books for them and met them out there. Super nice people. Never said anything about the fact that they sold this property for a very great price. They don't care. They're trying to put that past behind them. It's got some sort of an emotional connection to them and they want to move on. And sometimes if you understand that it's not always about the money, it's about your personality, how you deal with people. We're willing to help her. She sees that. That's valuable, right? They can't move the stuff on their own. Maybe they got to call somebody that they don't want to call. Maybe nobody's going to help them. Just understand that when you're buying $1,000 houses, I don't know, there's not many $1,000 houses for sale. Whenever you're buying a house, just put yourself in the shoes of who's trying to sell them to you. And just understand, like, we didn't come up with that price. That's the price that they came up with. And we said, yes, we'll take that price. That's a great deal. So get started investing in real estate. And now you know what a $1,000 house looks like. Peace.